English-Tagalog sentences, lesson number 28. I'm making a list. I'm making a list. Gumagawa ako ng listahan. The lights went out during the storm. The lights went out during the storm. Nawala ng ilaw nung bumabagyo. I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. Sinusubukan kong hanapin ang ugat ng isyong ito. The road is under construction. The road is under construction. Ginagawa ang kalsada. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Huwag kang magkakalat. We need to get to the airport early. We need to get to the airport early. Kailangan nating makarating sa airport ng maaga. The music is too loud. The music is too loud. Masyadong malakas ang tugtog. Let's grab a drink sometime. Let's grab a drink sometime. Inom tayo minsan. She's wearing eyeglasses. She's wearing eyeglasses. Nakasalamin siya. You're spot on. You're spot on. Tama ka dyan. I'm really glad we met. I'm really glad we met. Natutuwa talaga ako at nagkakilala tayo. I made a reservation for two. I made a reservation for two. Nagpareserba ako para sa dalawa. I'm looking for my phone. I'm looking for my phone. Hinahanap ko ang telepono ko. I'm preparing for a job interview. I'm preparing for a job interview. Naghahanda ako para sa isang job interview. The battery in the remote is dead. The battery in the remote is dead. Ubos na ang baterya ng remote. The shoes are on sale. The shoes are on sale. Naka-sale ang mga sapatos. We're having a barbecue this weekend. We're having a barbecue this weekend. Magba-barbecue kami sa weekend. I'm taking my cat to the vet. I'm taking my cat to the vet. Dadalhin ko sa veterinaryo ang pusa ko. The fridge is full. The fridge is full. Puno ang ref. They're planning to get married. They're planning to get married. Nagpaplano silang magpakasal. I'm learning to cook Italian food. I'm learning to cook Italian food. Nag-aaral ako magluto ng Italian food. Your dog is digging a hole. Your dog is digging a hole. Naghuhukay ang aso mo. The movie is based on a true story. The movie is based on a true story. Batay sa totoong kwento ang pelikula. The painting is hanging on the wall. The painting is hanging on the wall. Nakasabit ang painting sa pader. We would have come if we'd had a ride. We would have come if we'd had a ride. Pupunta sana kami kung may masasakyan kami. Check your schedule. Check your schedule. Tingnan mo ang schedule mo. I have visited Prague once. I have visited Prague once. Nakapunta na ako sa Prague ng isang beses. My package arrived earlier today. My package arrived earlier today. Dumating na yung package ko kanina. I forgot to buy eggs. I forgot to buy eggs. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng itlog. There's a mistake in your report. There's a mistake in your report. May mali sa report mo. The hotel has a swimming pool. The hotel has a swimming pool. May swimming pool yung hotel. We didn't go to Hong Kong. We didn't go to Hong Kong. Hindi kami nagpunta sa Hong Kong. I don't eat junk food. I don't eat junk food. Hindi ako kumakain ng chichirya. She's a good friend. She's a good friend. Mabuti siyang kaibigan. I want to go camping. I want to go camping. Gusto kong mag-camping. We played tongue-its last week. We played tongue-its last week. Nag-tongue-its kami noong nakaraang linggo. The mango is ripe. The mango is ripe. Hinog na ang mangga. I'm planning a road trip. I'm planning a road trip. Nagbabalak akong mag-road trip. Sign here. Sign here. Pumirma ka rito. Read this book. Read this book. Basahin mo ang librong to.